What is going on, guys? Some tech here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Delta app for free on your iOS without any jailbreak, and it works 100%. If you want to know how to download Delta app, let's stick around the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go to your settings and you're gonna click your Wi-Fi and you're gonna click the icon and you're gonna scroll down and you'll see the proxy. Just click that and make sure you put the proxy on automatic and make sure to enter this link. The link will be in the description. Just copy paste it right here and save it. And now all you're gonna do is just get out from this settings and you're gonna go to any browser and you're gonna search up tutubox.io. And after you search up that, the link will be in the description. Just click the link and it will directly take you to this page. And after you're on this page, you're gonna click install now. And there's one ad, just ignore that. And you can see there's a lot of choice for Tutubox, and just choose one. If the first one doesn't work for you, try the second one or the third one. The second one is working for me, so I'm gonna click the second one. You can see it's done. It finished downloading it. Now all I have to do is just open it. Just wait. And you can see it's untrusted app. If I want to trust the app, all I have to do is just go to settings, get out from here, and it's gonna scroll down and you're gonna click general. You're gonna scroll down one more time and you'll see device management, and you're gonna click that, and right here you're gonna trust it. If you don't do this, the app's not going to work. And now all you're gonna do is just open the Tutubox and you'll see the Delta app right here in the second one in the top. Just click that, click gate, install. It should be installing right now. Yep, it finished installing now. Like, it's so quick. This amazing app, Tutubox. Just go and open the Delta app and you can search up anything. It works 100%. And this pretty much how you do, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.